If any parents in here, they facing this problem, that their youth are giving them a hard time, sit down with them and apologize to them. Tell them, look, it's me to be blamed. I neglected you. I neglected you. I didn't spend the time that I supposed to spend with you and read with you Kitab al-Tawheed, ثلاثة أصول, Tafsir al-Sa'di, 40 hadith. I didn't do that. Didn't do that. And how now I'm going to blame you? I apologize. It's my fault. It's my negligence. And let's do it all over again. Let's be idnillah. Please forgive me. Please accept my son, my daughter, my dear daughters. Please accept my sincere apologies. I wasn't there for you when you need me the most. I wasn't there for you. I'm responsible. Allah ordered me in His book to take care of you, to teach you the Aqidah, the Tawheed, al-Akhlaq, to teach you about Allah, your Lord, to teach you about your Prophet, to teach you about your religion. I didn't do it. I thought making sure that you have from the material things, I thought that's what I supposed to do. I find out now that is not the case. I should have given you the Tawheed, the Aqidah, the Arabic language, Akhlaq al-Islam. And for that I apologize again. And I will continue to apologize. And let us start a new page, inshallah, and learn together.